Now on switch 2, we need to configure SPAN so that traffic sent by PC5, PC8 and PC7 is copied to PC6. On switch 2, show VLAN brief shows us that port F02 is configured in VLAN 2, other ports are configured in VLAN 1. So if PC5 sends a broadcast, those packets will be flooded to PC8 and PC7, but not to PC6. So those packets are not seen by PC6 at all. Anything sent from PC5 to the other PCs is only seen by those PCs because they are in a separate VLAN. So let's change that. On the switch, monitor, pick a number for the session. I'll pick 2. The source interface would typically be a VLAN, but Packet Tracer doesn't support that command. So I'm going to say interface F01, comma, F03, or Fast Ethernet 03, comma, Fast Ethernet 04. Do show run, pipe include monitor. That single command has resulted in this configuration. Monitor session needs to be the same number. To destination interface is going to be Fast Ethernet 02. So again, show monitor. That's our configuration. Traffic received both inbound and sent outbound on those ports will be copied to Fast Ethernet 02. So let's test that again. Go to simulation mode, go onto PC5, send a broadcast. Traffic hits the switch and notice is copied to PC6. This is a broadcast from 10.115 to a broadcast address. Even though PC6 is in a different VLAN and different subnet, notice it's in subnet 10.120, whereas these PCs are in subnet 10.110. PC6 receives the traffic. I'll run that simulation again because there was a problem in Packet Tracer. So I'll send that broadcast again. ICMP message is sent everywhere. ARP messages are sent everywhere. Even though PC6 is in a separate VLAN and a separate subnet, it receives the packets. What about a unicast? So what happens when PC5 pings 10.118? That works, but I'll go to simulation mode. Packet is sent to the switch, and notice is copied to PC6. Source MAC address is PC5, destination MAC address is PC8. Source IP address is PC5, destination IP address is PC8. This ICMP unicast frame is copied to PC6. So any traffic sent and received is copied to PC6. So there you go. We've now configured SPAN on both of these switches. On switch 2, any frames sent or received on interfaces Fast Ethernet 01, 3, and 4 are copied to Fast Ethernet 02. So how did you do? Were you able to complete this lab? You need to know SPAN or port monitoring for the CCNA exam.